Ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Yes,
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
When it's Grace, where are we going to have Grace's birthday?
Well, we're going to have Granny's birthday when she gets back. She's traveling on that trip right now, isn't she? Do we miss her?
Mom, we're going to sing a real happy birthday when Granny is here.
That's true, but can we sing one? We're going to sing one on here and we're going to send it to her.
Let's start over.
Okay, let's start over. You ready?
I know it's dark.
Uh-oh. Why is it so dark? Let's see. Oops. Let's see. Do you see?
Happy birthday. Oh, no, I can't see you.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's okay. Here, we'll get together, won't we?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Granny. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Granny. We love you.
We love you too.
Bye.
Bye.